how to pick up your art style or whichever medium you want to choose to get started with art. Now, this was one of the most related question that had been asked a lot many times. Which was the medium should we choose? Should we get started with the graphite, charcoal, watercolor, acrylic, pastels? What type of art medium should we pick up? Which is the medium which is most effective and most easy to get started with that? Now, from my base experience, I really want to tell you guys I work with very different mediums. Like, I work with watercolor, sometimes I work with graphite, charcoal, acrylic, pastels. Like, I work with many markers as well, like whatever medium I find suitable at that moment. So I want to tell you, if you are a complete beginner and you are getting started with making artwork and thinking of about whichever medium you want to get started with, I want to tell you, whatever art supplies you have at your home, if you have watercolor, get started with the watercolor. If you have the normal pencil, get started with the drawing. If you have some other medium, get started with whatever you have currently right now at your home and start making any piece of artwork without comparing yourself, without judging yourself with any other artist online, without thinking that whether I'm going to get the end results or not, whether my drawing or my artwork will really going to look good or not. Without thinking about anything, you just need to work on your piece of artwork, whatever feels you right for yourself. Get started with that and start making any piece of artwork with whatever supplies you have at your place. You don't need expensive, you don't need any fancy or any expensive art supplies to get started with making any piece of artwork. Suppose I started with the graphite. I started with the graphite because pencils we all have at our home. So I started with the pencil and then I slowly progress on to pastels, the watercolors, the charcoal, and now I'm starting with the acrylic as well. So it's depend on you guys. Like, no artist or no other creative person can tell you that you need to get started with this particular artwork or anything like that. I hope my answer really helps you. Please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.